Are you trying to install Roblox but getting this annoying critical error, failed to reach client settings? It's a common issue and usually very easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the quickest solutions to get you back into the game. The most common reason for this error is that Roblox is already trying to open or update in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. Look for any process named Roblox or Roblox Installer. Right-click on them and select End Task. Now go back to your installer, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Sometimes you just need to wait a minute for the first process to finish. If that didn't work, your network might be struggling to reach Roblox servers. Type CMD in your Windows search bar, right-click it, and Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. I will leave this commands in pinned comment below the video. After that, restart your computer and try the installer again. If still having trouble, let's try changing your DNS to Google's faster servers. Go to your control panel, then Network and Internet, then go to Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings, right-click your connection, and hit Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, this one, and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred option type, 8888, and for alternate type, 8844. Click OK and restart the installer. Don't worry about these changes. If you're hesitant or it doesn't work for you, you can easily go back by selecting Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically to restore your original settings at any time. Method 4. Clear Roblox app data. One last tip. Old corrupted files can block new installations. Press Windows key, +R, type %, local app data %, and hit Enter. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. This clears the cache and allows a fresh start. Then try again, open Roblox installer, and see if error go or not. One of these steps should definitely fix the client settings error for you. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Roblox fixes and gaming content. Leave a comment if you have any questions.